game, she's a bump like Ashley, no doubt. I put it down, never slouch. As long as my credit can vouch, that dog couldn't catch me straight out. Tell me who can stop a train making moves, attracting honeys like a magnet, giving them orgasms with my mellow accent. Still moving this flavor with the homies Blackstreet and Teddy, the original rum shaker. Shorty it down, good lord. Baby got her bumping all over town. Strictly bitch, she don't play around. Cover much ground, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. A true play away. I can't get her out of my mind. Wow, I think about Michelle all the time. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, it's always she's got to have it. Baby, she's a perfect 10. I wanna get in, can I get down so I can win? I like the way she works it. What? I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it. What? I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it. What? I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it. Please make some noise for Lou. Alright, okay, she's got class and style. She knowledge by the pound.